This beautiful 1904 farmhouse update included a rebuild of the dilapidated detached carport workshop, existing covered rear porch, back entry, and entire exterior. The team transformed the detached carport into a beautiful carriage-house-style garage with a cupola, carriage doors, and an electric car charger. They also extended the existing covered rear porch, creating a desirable outdoor living space. The home's exterior transformation created defined areas for landscaping, resulting in a stunning historic renovation for the clients.